The search engine is designed with a combination of 50 plus algorithms dedicated to understanding the queries raised by professionals during their legal research. It takes generic questions or legal jargon, analyzes it, and provides instant and accurate responses. But let's understand this with an example. Suppose you search compensation for cancellation of contract. This gives you relevant results instantly. You can further use the filters, selecting the module as income tax, document type, case laws and articles, selecting the act as income tax, section you may choose or ignore, selecting the court as Supreme Court, year you may choose or ignore, and there you have it. 23 relevant records out of thousands of results, with the most relevant on number 1. Another unique feature about our engine is that when you search for a specific phrase using double inverted commas, it gives you results for that exact phrase in the same order. If you type "notice not issued" in the search box, it shows the most relevant documents with the exact phrase mentioned in the same order.